FERM, power to create. This is the FERM JSM1014 power jigsaw. It has a flat aluminium base plate for maximum stability, 4-stage pendulum positions for increased cutting performance, a variable bevel cut up to 45 degrees for precision work, a dust extraction connection for a clean and safe working area, a dust blow function, a clean view on your saw line, an extra long power cable, and a parallel guide and 3 saw blades are included. A 710 watt motor with 800 up to 3000 saw movements per minute provides fast sawing results, even in thick and tough material. Ideal for cutting wooden plates, wooden floor panels, wooden beams and metal plates. Exclusive ergonomic design with soft grip for optimal working comfort. FERM, to make your job easy.